the first ever Technology Solutions Expo 2023 in South Luzon.
Congratulations in advance for the successful expo, and I hope mapakinabangan nyo ang inyo pong pinunta dito.
Let's all give this event a big round of applause.
Technology Solutions Expo 2023!
It is with great pleasure that we gather here at this beautiful place for 2 days to embark on a journey of discovery and innovation.
Technuclear Electronic Sales and Solutions provides a stage for innovative collaborations among tech giants in providing solutions and technological innovations on the field of surveillance, connectivity, automation, communication, and entertainment.
I hope nag-enjoy ho kayo. May nakakapulutan ho kayo na mga konting kaalaman tungkol sa mga na-showcase ho natin at mga na-demo dito sa exposition na to. At bukod sa lahat, may natutunan naman po sana.
Lang ako dito talaga to support, of course, yung conference natin ng Technology Solutions kasi pumunta sila sa akin, sinamangkit sila circuit. I'm happy naman that akala natin sa Maynila lang ginaganap yung mga ganitong events. Kami din kasi in the local government, me and the mayors, are also prioritizing in the allocation of budgets in improving yung mga systems and processes. Hold your head.